There are a ton of different factors that go into giving you a home insurance premium. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 4 influencing factors. And if you stick around, I'm going to give you a bonus tip to help you improve one of these factors. What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan Turbo Jackson, and I am your insurance resource. And on this channel, we break down insurance policies as well as verbiage to help you know what you're buying, because insurance is its own language. So let me help you. And yes, today in this video, we're going to talk about the 4 top factors that go into making your insurance or your home insurance premium. So let's dive into it. But first, I want to let you know kind of the background of pricing and premium and stuff like that. Every insurance company has an actuarial department. This is where they use numbers from the past to help predict the future. So it's not like they're just pulling numbers out of thin air when it comes to your home premium. But like I said, we're going to break down the top 4 factors right now. The first factor is your home itself. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer that a 3,000 square foot house like the one on the left is going to cost a lot more to insure than a 1,000 square foot house on the right. Yeah, so the replacement cost, everything like that goes into account when it does go to factoring in your home premium. So yeah, like I said, pretty much the house has a huge factor when it comes to your home premium. So that is number 1. Number two I listed here is protection class, or you can kind of think about where it's located. As you can imagine, a house that is closer to a fire department or fire hydrant is going to be a lower cost to insure, because if something were to start fire, the reaction time to the fire department is going to be greater, therefore saving the part of the home. So instead of being a total loss, it'll be a partial loss. Now, here where I live, I'm a protection class 5, meaning we're within, I think, maybe less than a mile from the fire department. However, it is a volunteer fire station. So if you go to a larger city that has a 24-hour manned fire department, then you're looking at like a protection class 1. Now, if you're kind of out in the boondocks, you're going to be a protection class 10, meaning there's some companies that won't even write a protection class 10 because it takes the fire department so long to get there. So that is part of, and then obviously if they will write a protection class 10, it's going to cost more, simply because if a fire starts, it's going to be a total loss instead of a partial loss. So on to number 3. As you can see, I had this listed as claims history, and this is kind of rolled into your insurance score. The more claims activity you have on your account, the kind of crummier your insurance score is, and it's just the more likelihood that yet another claim will take place. So also wrapped in this is your credit. These are 2 of the main factors when it comes to your insurance score. So there's, getting back to the actuarial department like we talked about, this is part of their determination of your insurance score. Now, the better your insurance score, the lower your premium is going to be. The crappier your insurance score, the more expensive it's going to be. So kind of keep that in mind. And like I said, this is a huge factor when it does come to your home premium. So let's kind of recap. We've discussed the type, your home, how big is your home, the replacement cost of your home. We've talked about where your home's located, and we've talked about your insurance score. So lastly, this is the one that a lot of people really don't think about or know, but it's number 4. And number 4 is your roof age and roof material. As you can see on the left, obviously the home is not complete, so the roof is going to be brand new, and the underlayment underneath it is going to be brand new. The house on the right, yeah, it needs some work. And probably wouldn't even be covered by anyone's insurance, but neither here nor there. I just use these as a kind of a comparison. A lot of people don't know about roof discounts, and When it comes to roof discounts, the newer the roof, the bigger the discount. And keep in mind too, there's usually 3 types of roofing material. There's your asphalt shingles, there's your architectural shingles, and your metal roof. The metal roof gets a higher discount because it is hail resistant and it's metal, and it's going to last a whole hell of a lot longer than the other 2. So, and one tip here, this is a bonus tip. This is not the tip that we're going to get into, but when you have a roof redone, keep the bill of sale from the contractor. Not only is it proof to your current insurance company that you did have work done, but if you happen to sell that house, make sure you give the bill of sale to the new buyer so that they can get the same new roof discount that you got. And a lot of times when I'm asking folks about their new home purchase, I always ask, when was the last time the roof was replaced? Well, I don't know. This is a good idea. If and when you do get a new roof replaced, keep the bill of sale. And lastly, here's the bonus tip you guys have all been waiting for. Yes, the one thing that you can control that costs the least is to improve your credit. Improve your credit, which will improve your insurance score, which will improve your home premiums, and also your auto premiums and other stuff like that. And just improving your credit overall is a good idea. But this is a huge thing when it comes to insurance, is get your insurance score better. And the easiest way to do that is to improve your insurance score. And on top of that, with your current insurance payments, make sure they're early. Not on time, but early. If they're early, the insurance company reports to the credit bureaus, and life is a whole lot sweeter. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it for the video. Please like, subscribe, and check out other videos, which are going to be right here. And I will see you on the next one.